Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to all the participants. So, just for your information, participants, yesterday we didn't have any session for the break because we planned to take a break for a day where we wanted to go ahead and continue the session, wanted to go ahead and practice, and then we are resuming today. So, let's spend time today and figure out the challenges that you have been facing while the practice. Yeah, participants, ask your questions, please.
Kumar, yesterday I tried to run that evacuant up. I am facing some error. Shall I share my screen window?
Yeah, please. Participants, get started one by one. We will try to figure out. You can share your screen.
Let me know, Kumar, once you've been able to see it myself.
Yes.
When I run the evacuant up, it is showing this error.
Yeah. Learn from that error. What does that error says to you? What is that it is saying to you?
Saying no default provided will be found for your system.
Correct. What is that default provider we should use?
Default provided means virtual path or
Correct. Did you install VirtualBox?
yes, Kumar, I understand.
Okay. So VirtualBox is mentioned, but it is not taking your VirtualBox. Okay. Close this for a minute. Did you mention the VirtualBox? So it says run this statement vagrant up hyphen provider equal to VirtualBox. In that provider, run that code, run that command there. Just don't run it, paste it there. Yeah, provider is equal to, in double quotes, VirtualBox. In double quotes, equal to double quotes, VirtualBox. It will work. It will
Space.
go and look for, no, full, one length. Look at line number 6. You have given already line number 6 in the vagrant file.
Okay.
Yeah, try it now. It will get through. Yeah, it is picking up. So says, so it says that you have VirtualBox, which is very much latest. That is not, do one thing. One small activity you have to do. Go to internet, read the statement, what it has done. Go to internet. Okay, now try to download Vagrant 6 Oracle VirtualBox 6.1. It says the Vagrant that you're running is not supported. Oracle VirtualBox 6.1 or download Oracle VirtualBox. I'll tell you where you can find. Click to Oracle VirtualBox. Go to look for Oracle VirtualBox. Skip to the content because it's taking somewhere else. I want to go to downloads. Skip to the content here. Yeah. Can you just mention VirtualBox because I don't see that link? Just mention VirtualBox. Yeah. Enter. Scroll down. Yeah. Virtualbox.org. The second link. Second link. Virtualbox.org. Here. Yes. So it is telling that you are using latest version 7, but as a vagrant, I don't support 7. Go for one lesser size to 6.1. Now go to downloads. We're downloading 7. Click downloads. Very good. Look for a little lesser version. Yeah, 6 package. If you're looking for latest 6.1 packages, see VirtualBox 6.1 build. Very good. Okay. Now use Windows Host 6.1. Cool. Now it will download the late 6.1 version of the, click on Windows hosts, host. That means you are running on Windows machine. Yes. So it is downloading. VirtualBox 6.1 point something. You will download it, uninstall the 7 and install the 6, and make sure that you go ahead and mention the same line hyphen vagrant equal to double quotes VirtualBox. Definitely it will work in your system. Okay, you work on this issue. I'll check with other people. How about other participants? Other participants? Rodriguez, you were facing some issue, right? Can you share your screen?
Give me one moment, Kumar.
Okay. Pranav, did you get through that port issue?
No, Kumar, I tried yesterday you tell right localhost 90. I
No
tried
problem.
that also.
We'll figure it out today. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Figure it out.
Okay, Kumar, can you see my screen?
Nope, till now. How about other people? Can you guys see Roderick's screen?
Hmm.
Stop it and share it one more time. Yeah, now we can see.
I tried in both the methods, but it's not, see, it just hangs up and it just does not load up Vagrant.
Okay. Can you maximize the screen? We don't see the code.
I've left the code as it is.
Okay, scroll down a little. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay, okay. Cool. Come to the end. Okay. So what it is saying, if you're running this Vagrant,
Nothing, it just hangs up like that. And if I do it with the code, it just hangs up at saying boot downloading box file Ubuntu / Kinetic 64, and that's it. It just stands out there. It does
okay,
not do any
fair. So let's understand in this way. That means when Vagrant is making your machine up, Vagrant is not able to do. That means there is something Vagrant is not able to get. So when Vagrant is not able to get what it wants, it is not able to make your machine up. Maybe can you go ahead and check your hypervisor, which is your Vagrant, which is your virtual box, right? Open your virtual box and do check. Maybe too many machines are there so that there is no space for it to start. Can you open your Oracle virtual box? Oracle virtual box. Do check, is there space or is there any?
Yes, I checked that there is enough space, but it's not doing anything.
Don't mind, what is the RAM of your PC?
4 GB. It's a little slow, but it's 4 GB RAM.
My guess is that maybe there is already a server running. Oh, see, your machine is there, but your machine is sleeping. So what do? You remove this Kinetic 22, do one thing, go ahead and remove that machine. Same, you're on the right machine. Yeah. What do? You release this machine, right click, right? Try to remove this machine. No. Close this. What do? Right click on settings, because it has to, it's lying there, it's eating your RAM. Okay. Invalid settings detected. Cancel. Can you power this machine? Power this on.
It does not power on.
See, there is something because of Kinetic claim, it got provision there and it got locked there. It is not able to go through. Click one more time setting. We have to remove this. Any chance to remove this? Oops. Close it. Can you double click that machine? Or Kinetic 22? It should start at least.
No, it does not start.
Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll go to out of the box. Most of the time, Vagrant files remain in Drive C. Go to your Drive C. We will hard clean it. We'll clean it hard way. Go to Drive C. Go to Users folder. And tell you admin dot Vagrant. Yeah, I guess it is under dot Vagrant. Look for the boxes because we have provisioned boxes, right? Yeah, there you go. Remove this, delete this file by complete hard delete. Now go ahead and do check your Oracle VirtualBox. By any chance, did it get released?
No, it
And
has.
now go to Oracle VirtualBox. We have released from Oracle VirtualBox. And what you do, just go ahead and go to once again users. Again, users. Okay, admin. Check in VirtualBox. Looks good. See, somehow that machine got stuck in your system, and I'm sure that is a reason it is not able to make things to move. Can you do one thing? This out of the box. Try uninstalling Vagrant. Try uninstalling Oracle VirtualBox and start it. I'm sure there will be a great progress for you. Can you
Okay.
do that right away?
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, we'll go ahead and talk to other people.
Sure, thank you.
Right. Anyone else? Any challenges that I can address, participants?
Yeah, Kumar, regarding that Jenkins.
Jenkins, no problem. Share your screen.
Yeah. Just wait a minute. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
I just copied the Jenkins folder to C drive,
Okay.
and then here I given the CMD.
Mm-hmm. Not required. It will not run. It will not. See, it's a file, right?
Okay.
It's a file. It
Yeah.
will not run. So run the starting command.
Hmm.
Very good, Java.
Jenkins code, or that's it, right?
Correct. Hit enter. Okay. Learn from the error. It says running with the class which is not supported. So you will enable the port by running the flag command. Correct.
Yeah.
Space hyphen enable hyphen future hyphen Java. Very good. What is the error you are facing here? Enter. Okay. So wait, see, it is telling you something. Cost java.io exception failed to bind 0.0 to the port 80. That means there is already a service running at port 80. Already it is telling already address already in use and bind. That means you're running some software at port 80. What is that
Okay.
software you're running by at port 80? Do you have any idea?
No.
Maybe you might have installed Tomcat into it. Do one thing, localhost port 8080, check it. Check that at localhost port 8080 on your instance on your server. Localhost 8080. Yeah, I guess Tomcat is running, I guess. Yeah, hit enter. There's already a service that is running. Yeah, there is some software that is running.
Okay.
What is that software? Click cancel.
No, I also don't know that.
There is some software which it's clearly running at port 80. Let's not go into that. What is that software? Let's figure it out to run it on other port, right? Yeah, now try to run it on
Yeah.
the port. After jenkins.jar, go to before that enable dot
Okay.
type hyphen http port space hyphen http capital P, not small,
Okay.
capital P
Port.
ORT equal to
Oh.
new port 9090,
Okay.
and do check it out. Now you're telling I don't want to use port 8080, I want to use port 9090. Do check it out. Yeah, allow. I think it is working. Now there is a progress.
Yeah.
Now open localhost 9090. Yeah, now it is
Okay.
working. Localhost 90. So from here onwards, you should use 9090, where everyone will use 8080, you will use 9090.
Yeah.
Remember that command, copy and paste that command somewhere.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Mr. Jenkins
Yeah.
is
Okay.
working. Fix that password issue. It will ask you to enter the password. Copy that password 4949 AD1. Entire series is that. Copy that password. Don't copy space. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And put it on a notepad. Very good. Very good. Now quickly copy it and drop it in that instance. Cool. From here, just it will ask you to enter your
Password I have given and then click continue, right?
yeah, plugins will be installed. It will ask you to install plugins. So it will be easy for you as well as for other people also. Yeah, click that install suggested plugins.
Yeah.
Install suggested plugins. Yeah, continue. This will take maybe 5 minutes. I'm sure
Okay.
after that it will ask you to create a username and a password. Create a username and password. Your job is done.
Yeah.
What is the command you will remember? Java
HTTP
Java hyphen jar
jar.
dot var HTTP port HTTP capital PORT port equal to 9090, and then you will enable
Enable.
it support future enable hyphen future hyphen Java. So memorize
Okay.
it or write it somewhere on a sticky pad so that you can use it regularly.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, Kumar.
fine. Anyone else, participants, do you have any questions more for me? So that was the reason, participants, I have asked you, go ahead and practice for from yesterday. So today we can go ahead and fix the issues. I think you guys are thinking that, why is that we are investing time on this May? Participants, it is something which is required. If you go ahead and get time to practice, then only you can do a practice, then only we will be able to go ahead and get our issues sorted out. Otherwise, we cannot get two issues. Because participants, Yeah, please continue.
Nothing. I don't know how to install Packer in my system because I have installed it, but I don't know where to place it. Can I share my screen on the?
No problem. I'm happy that you guys are asking me questions. That means it shows that you are practicing. Yes, please.
Give me a moment. I'm trying to share my screen. So here it is, but I don't know where to place it. Are you able to see my screen, Kumar?
Cool, I can see. Show me under your downloads. Maybe it is available under downloads, right? Can you extract it? Can you extract it? I can see Packer available. You need to extract it first. It's Terraform, right? Is there any
Yes.
way you can do one thing? I don't know where it is downloaded, right? Let's download it one more time. Hardly. Go to-
I think I have put it in the Windows C.
No.
See, I have placed it here.
Cut it from there, cut from there, cut from there. Go back. Are you using Windows 11?
Yes.
Go to Windows Drive C. And extract, paste that cut file, that is the packer.zip file. Extract that file. No, right click and extract. Extract all. Yes, extract to the same location. Cool. Now you don't need that zip file. Go back. There are two files. One is the zip file. The other one is just the file that you have extracted.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Drop that zip file, delete that zip file. Cool. Now, can you always remember the path packer underscore 1.8.3. Windows underscore 386? No, rename it with a
Yes.
simple name packer. That's it. Rename that folder name with packer. Right click, rename. Just with the name packer. That's why I asked, are you using Windows? Show more options is the option. Come down and there is an option in the last part, show more option. Then you will find rename. Yeah, click packer. This is a problem in Windows 11. Now you know that you put it in packer folder. In drive C, there is packer folder, but system doesn't know that. Where is the path? The compiler doesn't know that. So you'll go to environmental variables, type in environmental variables. env, type in env. Yeah, it already picked your environmental variables. Open it up. Do click environment variables. Yes. Now for your machine, yeah, go to path and double click that. Yeah, you are telling, dear machine, I have installed something in my system. You are required to go to path called drive C. Click new or entry new. You are placing a new entry. In drive C, that is capital C, :/ that means inside drive C, there is a folder called packer. that is a path slash. Inside folder packer, there is the one which you're looking for. Same way, can you add C:/Terraform just for the purpose of continuing new line, new entry?
But I didn't extract the Terraform in Drive C.
No problem. You can extract it after this also.
Okay. Shall I add this?
Yeah. First you can add multiple entries. Once again, you have to, if you click OK, once again you have to open it. See, once again you have to edit it. So participants, like Vagrant, we have been using in our local machine, on our local machines. We can go ahead and use Terraform on cloud. And participants, as I promised, right, I will give you today the codes that you should practice. So you should practice. Let's wait for him.
Is that correct, Kumar?
Okay, click OK. Now run Terraform from anywhere. Run Packer from anywhere in your system. It will run. Close this anywhere, not only on Drive C. Open it. Open a CMD. Open Drive C. I mean to say CMD. Yeah. Now run Packer. Packer Packer and ask it. Can you confirm?
Sorry for that. I don't know how to run it. Can you just please say the code?
Just pick Packer command. Packer Packer. Packer version, or just enter. It will respond to you now because you gave it path. See, it is telling you, hey, you have installed Packer with a version of 1.8.0 or 1.8.3. Cool. And next we have Terraform.
Yes, Kumar. Thank you.
Welcome. So just I'm asking you, don't feel. Are you a mobile app developer?
Sorry,
You are a developer, mobile app developer?
your voice is breaking, Kumar.
How about now? Am I audible?
Yes.
So I just out of the box curious, are you a mobile app developer?
No, I am a service desk agent.
Okay. Because I could see that your your screens are well designed, so thought of asking.
Yes,
Sorry for asking.
no, it's not. My sister is doing a UI. She's a UI developer, so she's
Okay.
practicing all these things.
Okay, fair, cool. Thanks.
Welcome.
Okay. So participants, do you have any more questions for the day? Are we good? Ashish, Bharti, Shahid, Rodrigues, how about now? Lata, do you have any questions? Ramya, Sammy, Dinesh?
Hey Kumar, one quick question.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so other than Oracle VirtualBox, is there anything else that could work along with Vagrant? The reason why I'm asking is right, like when I'm trying to install Oracle VirtualBox, right, I'm getting a
Mhm.
unsupported architecture, something like that.
Very good question. See, if you go ahead and type in Vagrant, assuming that if Vagrant is not supported, Vagrant is the tool which has to work with a hypervisor. Hypervisor means the one that provisions virtual machines. We are using a free software called VirtualBox. It also supports KVM, Hyper-V, which is for by Microsoft. It supports Hyper-V from Microsoft. But Hyper-V installation is a little tedious and it is not easy to handle also. That is the reason the free and easy software we are using is VirtualBox.
Yeah.
Okay. You can try KVM, which is even an open software. KVM, which is kernel-based virtual machine. You can give it a try.
Sure.
Download it and do check. Welcome. So participants, I have given you, sorry, Neeraj, give it a try and do let me know. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Okay. So now participants, another question, another scenario for you is this. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna share something with you. Now you have to confirm me, participants. I'm gonna share you. Give 1 second. Now I shared you, participants, Linux, basics of Linux, all the commands which I have been using. I'm sharing my personal commands which I've collected for myself. I'm sharing with you. So participants, can you quickly download it and do me a confirmation? Are you able to download it?
Yes, Kumar.
Yes, Kumar.
Download it.
Download it, right? So
Yes.
this weekend, after your Vagrant machine is up and running, after your systems, everything is running, practice all your Linux commands that I've given in the system on your Linux machine, which is Vagrant. See, for practicing Linux, you need a Linux machine. Participants, do you have a Linux machine now?
No, we haven't.
Right? Starting from here, today, maybe for Monday when you come back, practice all the Linux commands. Now, what will happen? You will complete your Linux practice one by one. If you open up that Linux, if you open up that box, if you open that documentation, every possible command I gave and every possible line by line I have written. This is only for you people. I have written, if you want to see date of in a system, date command. If I want to see calculator, calendar for the month. If I want to see who I'm online, this is system related. We will work most of the time on file related. ls-al, remove, rm, file permissions. This command you will not be able to understand. Don't worry. You can go ahead and practice it. If you are not able to practice it, drop it. I'll explain you once we are in a Linux machine, what is chmod, how to work with chmod, why people use chmod. Likewise, plenty of commands I brought in, participants. Check one by one. And same way, we will take some time and we will try to take the questions and we'll try to understand. Participants, are we good? Any more questions?
Right,
Kumar, you sent it in chat, is it?
Pardon?
You sent this
In the
document in
chat.
chat. I didn't get it.
Okay, let me do one thing. Let me share it one more time. If you're not receiving, please, participants, one more time from my system. One more time. Do let me know.
Kumar, I have reinstalled that Oracle Virtual Box.
Mm-hmm.
Now I am getting another. Shall I share this?
You are getting another issue. Okay, please.
I didn't get the document, Kumar.
Yeah, everyone, participants, do you confirm? Are you able to receive or not able to receive it?
I'm able to receive Kumar.
Yes, Kumar, we got it.
Check it out because 2 times I've shared it in the chat
Yeah,
window.
I think she's checking in the phone. That's what it is not showing.
Just checking in the.
Oh,
In the phone, that's what it will not show. If
Okay, okay.
mm, yeah, I am on the phone.
Okay, give me.
Okay,
Mhm.
let me.
Okay, you try to join back. In the meanwhile, I'm helping participant
Yeah.
to fix this issue. So there was an error while vagrant CLI, vagrant standard error headless terminated with provider. Can you scroll down because only I can see the other first part of it. Unexpectedly, start VM headless virtual machine template has terminated. So it is trying to go ahead and what is this? Do one thing. Close this page. Close this page.
Shall I close it this way?
Remove that file. Remove that vagrant file. Close the terminal. Close the terminal. Close everything. Close the file. I realized your mistake also. Yeah. Close this. Don't save. Yes. Remove that vagrant template folder also. Remove that complete folder also.
Template.
I'll tell you your problem also. I'll give you the solution also. Close this. You have reinstalled Oracle VirtualBox, right?
Yes, yes.
Close it. Now close that vagrant file also. Remove that vagrant file also from Oracle VirtualBox. It will eat away your memory. Right? Right click and remove it. Right click. Yeah, there is an option called remove. Remove everything. Now close this. It's like you're starting new. Yeah. Go to a new folder. Now from that new folder, run your vagrant initialization. It will automatically get started. I'll tell you what was the issue for no. Go into that new folder, directly new folder. Yeah, inside that new folder, from that bar only you type CMD. Okay. Now what you do, you go ahead and type in vagrant INIT. Vagrant space INIT. Okay. Now after this, go to the vagrant INIT file, the .vagrant file. Can you open with the notepad? That vagrant file, right? Open with the notepad. Anything and double check what is that vagrant it is using. What is the box it is using? In that box, there is a base, BASE base. Go to the first line, go to the first line, almost to the first line. Scroll down config.vm.base.box, right? That line. Yeah, in that base, yeah. In the double quotes, there is BASE base,
Yes.
right? There is base. There you write Ubuntu/Kinetic 64. Ubuntu/Kinetic 64. Cool. It will work for now. It will work for you for now. Now run this machine. Yeah, close. I'll tell you what were the challenges or what were the mistakes that happened. Now run your Vagrant one more time. It will work now. So what were your earlier challenges? The earlier challenges were your Vagrant file, right? Whatever the file you had, all that code was formatted. Everything is in one line. Now you see the code, it will be, see how the code is, there is no vagrant line number 8 is on the other side. All these configurations, there is a space. You kept everything in one line. That was the reason it was failing. Yeah. Now open the terminal to run your vagrant command. There is already a terminal on the top, File, edit, go, view, run, terminal. Next to that. Yeah. Open an integrated terminal. Run vagrant up. This time it will work. Vagrant up. Cool. It will work. Now it has picked up with the VirtualBox. Okay, you continue. I'm sure there will be a great progress. Anyone else, participants, any issues, any challenges that you're facing? Shahid, yeah, please continue. Any more questions? Pranay, everything is good? Shahid, any questions?
Kumar, no.
Yeah, no problem. I'm
Yeah,
sharing you.
hi Kumar, I have one doubt.
Yes, please continue.
Actually, while you're using the GitHub in the two repos like beta and something like we have giving alternate repos names, no? So during that time, one time I'm getting like a master branch as a default branch, and sometimes I'm getting main branch. So why it is like is the same both?
See, it's not like that. In settings of GitHub, in the settings of GitHub, by default, you get to see something called a branch name that you want to consider. So you can say, I want to continue with MAIN main every time whenever there is a new repo that I create. Whenever you go ahead and create a new repo, I want that repo to be going ahead, and I want, for example, you go ahead and hit my website, my cloud, Azone Cloud. Right. So in my scenario, I've been using MAIN as my default branch. There is a setting for me. If you log in also, you'll come to know under these branches. How many branches? 2 branches, right? There is a default branch that is option. This is a default branch. That is a default branch for me. You can see here, that is a default branch for me.
Yes.
So you can go ahead and change the name MAIN to master. So what happens next time when you go ahead and use any option, it will go ahead and take by default as MASTR master as your branch. In this scenario, it is main branch. Clear?
Okay. Yeah. Clear.
Welcome.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome. Participants, do you have any more questions? Venkat, is it up and running now? Is it at least up now?
No, Kumar, again the same here.
Do one thing. This is something have to do. Try to update your Windows machine. This has been already faced by me also. What I have done is I did a lot of search on the internet. Then I found it was asking me to update the machine. So as well as update your Windows machine. Keep this as an option to update your Windows machine, and check your PowerShell also. Check your PowerShell. Go ahead and do a little search on the internet how to do an update for your PowerShell. Keep your PowerShell updated. Keep your Windows updated. It will definitely work for you.
Okay, Kumar.
At least the problem of identifying vagrant with regards to one, it is solved. The other one, it is solved. And now very soon you will get it. Only thing is make sure that your machine is up to date.
I will try it another laptop. I will try.
Okay. Participants, do you have any more questions for me?
Kumar,
Yes, please.
I'm downloading Vagrant, but they did not see it.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Go to your download section. Go to your downloads. Go to downloads. Yeah, it is available. Yeah, install it, double click, install it. It will get.
I'm already installed it.
Mhm. So type CMD in the search, CMD in your machine. Type CMD in your machine, CMD. Yeah, there you type CMD. Yeah, type vagrant, VAG, VAG,
VAG.
ARANT space hyphen version. It's working, I guess. Yes, it's working. Yeah, it is
Yeah.
there. It's there in your machine. Maybe spelling mistake might have happened. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. So participants, what's your plan? Will you come back on Monday with all the Linux commands practice using Linux box and with all your setups?
Yes, Kumar.
Okay.